Hello everyone, welcome to Module 10 and the final module of our Software Design and Development course. Modules 1 through 9 took you from writing your first line of code to deploying complete production-ready systems, but technical expertise alone no longer guarantees career success. Today, we focus on the critical transition from a technically skilled learner to a professionally competent software engineer. We will cover career pathways, essential skills, professional certifications, ethical development, portfolio strategies, and your final capstone project. This module gives you the roadmap to enter the global technology industry. Let's dive in. Here is our roadmap for today. Career progression stages from junior developer to tech leadership. Specialization pathways such as front-end, back-end, full-stack, mobile, DevOps, and architect. Core technical and soft skills required for industry readiness. Globally recognized professional certifications as a software developer. Ethical, sustainable, and responsible deployment practices. We will also build a competitive professional portfolio. We will look into practical software project examples and tech stack. We will see final custom project design, execution, and presentation. And lastly, we will look into long-term career planning and continuous learning. Let's get started. Modules 1 through 9 systematically guided you from foundational programming to deploying production-ready systems. But here is the truth. Modern employers expect more than technical skills. They expect professional readiness, ethical responsibility, collaborative communication, and the ability to deliver maintainable user-centered solutions that align with business goals. Module 10 provides a structured framework for your career pathways and required skills, industry certifications, ethical development practices, portfolio strategies, and capstone project execution. This module equips you with the competence and professional artifacts needed to enter the global tech industry, pursue freelance opportunities, or launch your own software product. Software careers follow predictable progression stages. From junior developer who writes features, fixes bugs, learns code base, and team workflows, to mid-level developer who owns larger features, participates in design, mentors juniors. Senior developer leads project architect solution, sets technical standard, while tech lead or team lead guides multiple developers, aligns technical decisions with business goals. Engineering manager or architect shares technical strategy, manages teams, drives innovation, while the director or chief technical officer oversees engineering organization, sets long-term technology vision. Success factors at every stage are continuous learning and adaptability, clear communication, both technical and non-technical, balancing technical depth with business impact. Your career is a marathon, not a sprint. Invest in fundamentals and soft skills early. Software engineering offers multiple rewarding specialization. The pathway comparison for front-end, full-stack, DevOps, software architect, data engineer is as that. For the front-end engineer, the focus is on UI, UX, and the key technologies include React, Bump, Angular, and Tailwind, and it is best for creative design and focus depths. For the back end, the focus is on logic, APIs, databases, and the key technologies are Node.js, Python, Java, and SQL. And It is best for systems and data enthusiasts. For full stack, the focus is on end-to-end apps, while for mobile apps, the focus is in smartphones, while for the DevOps, infrastructure and CID. For the architects, the pathway, the focus is on system design and strategy. The key technologies are cloud patterns, scalability, and it is best for experienced and technical leaders. Choose a pathway that aligns with your strengths, but maintain cross-functional literacy. A front-end engineer who understands APIs is invaluable. A back-end engineer who understands UI constraints builds better systems. Technical excellence alone is insufficient. Let's break down both categories of skills required as a software professional. The core technical skills are proficiency in either front-end, back-end stack, strong SQL and non-SQL database design, REST or GraphQL API development and consumption, Git workflow mastery, automated testing, cloud deployment and CI/CD fundamentals. Then the professional and soft skills include analytical problem solving and debugging, clear documentation and technical communication, agile collaboration and cross-functional teamwork, time management and task prioritization, and lastly, continuous learning and adaptability to new tools. Employers hire well-rounded professionals, not just coders. Certifications validate your expertise and enhance credibility. Some of the high-value certifications are AWS Certified Developer Solution Architect, Microsoft Azure Developer Associate, Meta Front-End Developer Professional, Google Professional Cloud Developer, and lastly, Certified Scrum Master. Certifications validate knowledge, but real projects prove capability. Use certifications to complement, not replace a strong portfolio. Building software comes with responsibility. Some of the responsibility are core ethical principles, which include privacy and security, encrypt data, comply with GDPR and NDPR, minimize data collection. Then for accessibility, securing readers, keyboard navigation, high contrast captions, algorithmic fairness, audit AI and ML models for bias in hiring, finance, or education. Sustainability, optimize queries, reduce bundle size, choose green cloud regions. Then for transparency, it means clear consent flows, open data users policy, and no dark patterns. LMS example, encrypt grades, provide alt text for media, use energy efficient CDNS, and allow students data export and deletion are one of the ethical and sustainable developmental practices. Your portfolio is your most powerful career tool. Portfolio components include 3 to 4 deploy production quality projects, live URLs on Basel, Netflix, Render, OWS, well-documented GitHub reports with clear review, architecture diagrams, screenshots, and demo videos, personal website with contact info and review. Recommended project types in your portfolio include full stack accounting system using React, Node, and PostgreSQL, ERP module using API, gateway, microservices, and data, LMS platform using Next.js, Prisma, and Hot+3, e-commerce with payment integration that has cart, checkout, and web Employers hire proven builders. A strong portfolio speaks louder than any resume. Let me give you concrete tech stack blueprints for real-world projects as a practical software project example. Accounting software, the features include invoicing, expense tracking, financial reports, and it is used using React, Express.js for several SQL. For learning management system elements, features, course code, enrollment, progress tracking, thesis certifications, and the stack include Next.js plus Prisma plus for several SQL and Valencia plus Cloud Nine. For e-commerce platforms, features include product catalog, fast rate checkout, order tracking, and admin dashboard. The focus area for every project is to solve real problems, implement authentication, handle errors properly, deploy publicly, and document thoroughly. Quality over quantity. 3 excellent projects beat 10 incomplete ones. Your final capstone project is the culmination of all the 10 modules you have treated so far, and the mandatory requirements are full stack implementation with responsive UI UX, secure authentication and role-based authorization, cloud deployment with CI/CD pipeline, comprehensive documentation, live demo, and professional presentation. All the capstone options include complete accounting software, enterprise resource planning ERP system, full featured learning management system. This project demonstrates end-to-end competence across everything you have learned, from design principles and back-end development to front-end integration, testing, deployment, and professional presentation. Let's have a quick final checklist on do's and don'ts and real-world application deployment. Use version control with strictly conventional commit methods. Follow style guide, automate limiting and formatting. Document API architecture decision and deployment boundaries. Test thoroughly before matching. Participate in fair code reviews and continuously learn. For the don't never commit secret tokens or the CMD file repository. Avoid work on many on my machine assumptions. Containerize all the common process. Don't skip system design, security reviews, or performance testing. Do not adopt business logic or environment specific considerations. Do not work in isolation. Communicate blockers and share knowledge through activity. Today, we covered the professional side of software engineering, career progression stages, and specializing pathways, core technical and soft skills for industry readiness, professional certifications and their daily, ethical sustainability and responsible development processes, building a competitive portfolio with live projects, real-world project examples, and tech solutions. We also look into final capstone projects. Congratulations, you have completed software design and development from beginner to advanced. Over 10 modules, you have progressed from writing your first line of code to designing architecture, building backend and frontend, testing rigorously, deploying to the cloud, and now preparing for a professional career. God bless you.